Are you in focus? You're in focus. La la la, la la la. Loo, 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 loo. Hey! Oh. Hey everyone, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little weird for me, to be honest, because it is pouring rain in Vancouver right now, and I'm about to do a bathing suit try-on haul. Yeah. So before you judge me, let me just give you some backstory so I can explain exactly why I am doing this bathing suit try-on haul today. A couple years back, my parents realized that for Christmas, my sister and I no longer need the newest toy in the Sears catalog. So they traded in, giving us the newest Barbie or the newest Furby or the Play-Doh or whatever trendy toy there is nowadays, like Littlest Pet Shop. I don't know what's relevant anymore, but they decided to trade that side of Christmas in and take us for an all-inclusive week to Mexico. As I said, I have done this trip for a couple of years now, and every year I realize just how hard it is to get your hands on a bathing suit in store in Vancouver in the winter. Because of that, I've turned to a lot of online shopping for bathing suits, and they seem to get pretty pricey. So instead of going the pricey route, I went the extremely inexpensive route, and the route that you guys seem to have so many questions about when I post their stuff on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a Zaful try-on haul for you guys today. So before we get started, I need you guys to do 3 things for me. Hit that subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up, and last but not least, do not judge me that I have goosebumps in these bathing suits because it is pouring rain and cold outside in Vancouver. All right, you guys, this is the first bathing suit and I absolutely love it. Like, it is so cute. I love it. The color I think looks great. The fit, it fits perfectly. Like, I don't understand how this bathing suit was like $13, but I absolutely love it. The bum is a little bit cheeky, but it's not a thong or anything. So yeah, the top is just all tied together with the string here. Super cute detail on it. I'm curious if I could wear it the other way. I'm someone who doesn't have big boobs, so I feel like I could probably get away wearing it the other way and having like the drawstring in the front. However, that being said, if you are a bustier woman, I would not recommend this bathing suit because it is literally held by a string. Also, because it does not have straps, this one's not gonna give you much support. I'm more of a pectoral than a boob girl, so this one works for me. I love it. So this one, right from when I pulled it out of the bag, it's definitely not the same yellow that's in the photo on the website. Like, this is like fluorescent, like stop traffic yellow. Like, it's really bright for me. I was not expecting that. But you know what? I like the color actually. I feel like it's gonna look really good with a tan. Also, excuse the take, you guys. This is literally the first time I'm trying this on. This one, as I'm feeling my bum, is a little bit more cheeky than the other one. Like, it's like kind of up there. Also with the top, literally zero support with this one. Again, I don't need it, but if you are someone who does, I'm nervous that if I lift my arms up, that the whole top's gonna just like come with it. Like, there's really nothing holding me in. I think this one's cute. It fits, like, it's super comfy. It's not cutting anywhere. It's like hugging my hips quite nicely. I like it. I do like this one a lot. Okay, you guys, we're going a little downhill here. This one just doesn't fit. Let's just put it that way. I just don't have boobs, you guys. This one, it just does not fit. Like, if I had a fuller chest, I feel like this would be absolutely perfect. But yeah, I'm just really not 100% on this one. And this was one that I was super excited about. But with like the Underwire detail and stuff, I'm not surprised that it's not fitting perfectly. Like, let's say $15 can only get you so much, you guys. So, but yeah, I really love the color. I'm gonna give it that. I'm gonna sandwich a compliment in there. I love the color, I do. Quality of it feels great. Love the color, but it's not gonna stay. It's just not me. It's just not for me. Okay guys, I really like this one. This is really cute, and to be honest, it looks identical to what it looked like on the website. Fits perfect. I should say I got a small across the board in every single one of these bathing suits. And so far only one's not fit. So pretty true to size, I would say. But yeah, this one a little bit more full coverage on the bum, full coverage on the top. The back detail, it's just straight across the back the same way that it is across the front. It's gonna make for a thick tan line, but I love this. Like, I don't have a bad thing to say about this one. Cute color, gonna look good with a tan. Oh, I can't wait for a tan. Okay, you guys, I am so pleasantly surprised with this one. This one is like definitely my favorite. And this one was on like a super clear out sale on Zaful. So I was like, okay, something has to be wrong with it. Clearly like people are returning it and they're just trying to like get it out of the warehouse. And I'm obsessed. I actually think this is my favorite one. It's a really nice like burnt orange, pumpkin-y kind of color. But yeah, I love this one, you guys. I don't have a bad thing to say about this. This is definitely my favorite one and it was on super sale. So note to self, don't shy away from their sale section because you think they're like recalled. They're not. They're perfect. I love it. Woo, woo, woo. So guys, to sum it all up with my Zaful haul, the main tip I would give you is to keep it super simple when you're ordering. If you didn't notice, the only one that didn't work out was the more complex Underwire bathing suit. All of the other ones were literally just tubes around my chest, so if the size fit, there wasn't really much room for error. One thing I did not mention before is shipping. I've heard some complaints in regards to Zaful shipping, it taking like 2 months or something. In my experience for this round of swimwear, it only took 2 weeks. One thing I will point out is it did come in 2 separate packages. So 3 bathing suits were in one, 2 were in the other. So I got a little nervous that the 2 weren't gonna come in the mail, but they did. So hopefully if you have that experience, the same thing happens with you, and the other ones are just behind the first package. So my main takeaway from this experience is that I am so excited to hit the beach in these bathing suits. If you haven't followed me already, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with my Mexico vacation and see these bathing suits in a much more aesthetically pleasing way than me in my bedroom with goosebumps because it's pouring rain outside. So hope to see you guys soon and thank you so much for watching.